How to activate Go2Bank Card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Go2Bank Card online. This is going to be a very simple process, so do follow along. The first step is to launch open any web browser, then search for Activate Go2Bank Card. You want to tap on the very first option, which is Go2Bank Help. Once you tap on this, you will be brought to this web page. Here, you want to scroll down and find the Activate Your Card option. Tap on that once you have found it. Now, to activate your card, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your 16-digit card number. Once you have entered that, the next step is to enter the expiration date of that card. Now, you want to enter the security code or the CVV number. The security code is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Once you have found it, simply enter it over here. After that, you want to check the box that says I'm not a robot. Once you have entered all these details and checked that box, you want to tap on the continue option. From there, you will have to complete some other verification steps. Once your account has been verified, your card will be successfully activated. Once your card is activated, you will be notified via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.